Have you ever spent hours pulling weeds or trying gardening hacks that promised great results but never seemed to work? If so, today's video might change the way you look at one common household ingredient: vinegar. Most people keep vinegar in the kitchen for cooking or cleaning, but experienced gardeners know it can also be a surprisingly useful tool in the garden. From helping control weeds to supporting certain plants, and even discouraging some pests, vinegar has a variety of practical outdoor uses. In this video, we'll explore 7 simple and effective ways to use vinegar in your garden. These easy, budget-friendly methods work for vegetable gardens, flower beds, herbs, and ornamental landscapes, using something you probably already have at home. Before you dismiss that bottle in your kitchen cabinet, wait until you discover just how useful it can be in the garden. 1. A simple homemade weed killer. Keeping weeds under control is one of the biggest challenges gardeners face, but vinegar offers an inexpensive alternative to many commercial herbicides. By combining ordinary white vinegar with a small amount of dish soap, you can create a homemade weed spray that helps eliminate many common unwanted plants without purchasing expensive chemical products. Making the solution takes only a few minutes. Simply pour white vinegar into a spray bottle and mix in about 1 teaspoon of dish soap. The vinegar works by removing moisture from the leaves and stems, causing the weeds to dry out and eventually die. Meanwhile, the dish soap acts as a surfactant, helping the liquid stick to the leaf surface instead of sliding off before it has time to work. This mixture works especially well in places where weeds frequently appear, including cracks in sidewalks, gravel driveways, patios, pathways, fence lines, and between paving stones. Many gardeners appreciate this method because it allows them to reduce their dependence on stronger herbicides. Even so, vinegar should always be used carefully because it doesn't distinguish between weeds and desirable plants. Any leaf it contacts may be damaged. For that reason, careful application is extremely important. Some gardeners protect nearby flowers and vegetables by placing sheets of cardboard around them before spraying. Others avoid spraying altogether and instead dip a small paintbrush into the solution, applying it directly onto the weed leaves with greater precision. For maximum effectiveness, choose a warm, sunny day with no rain in the forecast. Bright sunshine speeds up the drying process and increases the damage vinegar causes to unwanted plants. Annual weeds such as crabgrass, dandelions, chickweed, and many other common invaders often respond particularly well under hot, dry conditions. Another advantage is affordability. Since most kitchens already contain both vinegar and dish soap, the cost is significantly lower than many commercial weed control products. Persistent perennial weeds may require several applications because their underground roots often survive the first treatment and eventually produce new shoots. Nevertheless, vinegar remains an effective tool for reducing many common weeds around the garden. Perhaps the greatest benefit is its simplicity. Instead of relying entirely on expensive herbicides, gardeners can often solve minor weed problems with 2 inexpensive household ingredients that are already sitting on the shelf. 2. Helping acid-loving flowers produce richer blooms. Vinegar can also improve growing conditions for certain flowering plants by gently increasing soil acidity. Some species naturally prefer acidic soils, and adjusting the pH slightly can make it easier for their roots to absorb essential nutrients. This method is especially useful for plants such as hydrangeas, azaleas, camellias, and rhododendrons, all of which perform best in acidic soil. Gardeners sometimes struggle to achieve the rich flower colors these plants are capable of producing, but improving soil acidity can often make a noticeable difference. Preparing the solution is easy. Mix 1 cup of household vinegar into 1 gallon of water and apply it around the root zone approximately once every month. The mild acidity encourages important nutrients already present in the soil to become more available to the roots. Minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium are absorbed more efficiently when soil conditions remain slightly acidic. These nutrients play a vital role in producing healthy foliage, vigorous growth, stronger roots, and abundant flowering. Hydrangeas provide one of the best-known examples of how soil chemistry influences flower color. Many blue hydrangea varieties develop deeper, richer blue blooms when grown in acidic soil, whereas more alkaline conditions often encourage pink blossoms. Azaleas, camellias, and rhododendrons also tend to perform better when their preferred soil conditions are maintained. The improvements often extend beyond flower color alone. Plants growing in the proper pH range frequently develop fuller foliage, healthier roots, stronger stems, and a larger number of blossoms throughout the growing season. Those that previously struggled in alkaline soils sometimes show dramatic improvements once acidity is gently adjusted. Many gardeners enjoy this approach because it offers a low-cost alternative to buying specialized fertilizers and soil amendments. A carefully diluted vinegar solution can sometimes accomplish much of the same goal without adding another expensive gardening product. As with any soil amendment, moderation is important. Using too much vinegar can lower the pH excessively and eventually damage sensitive roots. Small, occasional applications are usually all that's needed to support healthy growth. One of the most fascinating parts of gardening is realizing that tiny changes beneath the surface often create dramatic improvements above ground. A slight adjustment in soil chemistry can influence everything from foliage color to flower production. Perhaps that's why this simple vinegar technique surprises so many gardeners. One ordinary kitchen ingredient can sometimes produce brighter flowers, healthier plants, and a more vibrant landscape with surprisingly little effort. 3. A homemade vinegar solution for acid-loving plants. Many gardeners don't realize that vinegar can also become part of a simple homemade plant feeding routine. While vinegar doesn't supply large amounts of nutrients itself, small diluted amounts help create soil conditions that allow certain plants to absorb nutrients more efficiently, particularly those that naturally thrive in acidic environments. Blueberries, tomatoes, and numerous ornamental flowering plants often perform best when the soil remains slightly acidic. Properly diluted vinegar can help maintain those favorable conditions without depending entirely on commercial fertilizers. The mixture is extremely simple to prepare. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 1 gallon of water, then use the solution when watering around the base of your plants. Rather than acting like a traditional fertilizer, the vinegar helps improve nutrient availability within the soil. Mild acidity encourages important minerals and organic materials to become easier for plant roots to absorb. Nutrients including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are essential for strong root systems, healthy foliage, abundant flowers, and productive harvests. When plants are able to access these nutrients more efficiently, overall growth often improves. Acid-loving crops such as blueberries and tomatoes frequently respond especially well when their preferred soil pH is maintained consistently. Another reason gardeners appreciate this method is its convenience. Many commercial fertilizers involve complicated feeding schedules and multiple specialized products. In contrast, this homemade solution requires only inexpensive ingredients that are commonly found in the average kitchen. When used correctly, diluted vinegar solutions have helped many gardeners encourage greener leaves, stronger stems, improved flowering, and more productive fruit development. Proper dilution remains extremely important. Applying concentrated vinegar directly to the soil or roots can injure plants because of its high acidity. Always dilute it thoroughly before use to avoid damaging delicate root systems or upsetting the natural balance of the soil. There is also an environmental advantage. Homemade vinegar mixtures may help reduce reliance on synthetic gardening products while still supporting healthy plant development through more natural soil management. One of the biggest lessons experienced gardeners eventually learn is that successful gardening isn't always about adding more fertilizer. Sometimes the real secret lies in creating the right environment, so plants can make better use of the nutrients already present. That may be exactly why vinegar continues to earn its reputation as one of gardening's most overlooked household helpers. It's inexpensive, readily available, remarkably easy to use, and capable of helping plants grow stronger in ways many gardeners never expect. 4. A natural way to keep common. Garden pests under control. Every gardener eventually has to deal with unwanted visitors. Ants suddenly begin marching across flower beds. Mosquitoes make it difficult to enjoy evenings outdoors, and fruit flies seem to appear out of nowhere as soon as warm weather arrives. Although these pests may be small, they can quickly become a major nuisance. Fortunately, one simple household ingredient, vinegar, can help reduce many of these problems without relying on harsh chemical products. One of the biggest advantages of vinegar is how versatile it is. Instead of using strong synthetic insecticides, gardeners can turn to this inexpensive kitchen staple to discourage certain pests naturally. It's affordable, widely available, easy to use, and offers a more environmentally friendly approach to protecting both plants and outdoor spaces. If ants have created busy trails through your garden, vinegar can interrupt their movement almost immediately. Ant colonies communicate by leaving invisible pheromone trails that guide other ants toward food and safe pathways. When vinegar is sprayed directly onto these trails, it masks and disrupts those chemical signals, making it difficult for ants to find their way. As a result, many colonies abandon the area and begin searching elsewhere. Fruit flies can also be controlled using a very simple homemade trap. Apple cider vinegar is especially effective because its sweet fermented scent naturally attracts these tiny insects. Pour a small amount into a shallow container and add a single drop of dish soap. The soap breaks the surface tension of the liquid, preventing the flies from escaping once they land. Covering the container with plastic wrap and poking a few small holes in the top allows flies to enter while making it difficult for them to get back out. Although the trap is extremely simple, it often works remarkably well in kitchens, near compost bins, on patios, or anywhere fruit flies tend to gather. Mosquitoes also tend to dislike the strong smell of vinegar. A lightly diluted mixture of vinegar and water can be sprayed around patios, walkways, seating areas, and other outdoor spaces to make them less inviting for mosquitoes. Some gardeners even use highly diluted vinegar mixtures as a temporary homemade repellent while spending time outside. Another reason vinegar has become so popular for pest control is its environmental friendliness. Rather than applying large amounts of synthetic pesticides throughout the landscape, gardeners can use a common household product that naturally breaks down over time and generally poses fewer concerns for beneficial insects and wildlife when used appropriately. Perhaps that's what makes vinegar such a useful gardening companion. It provides practical, inexpensive solutions for everyday pest problems, using a simple ingredient that most people already have sitting in their kitchen. 5. Restoring and maintaining garden tools. With vinegar, after months of digging, pruning, planting, and harvesting, garden tools naturally become covered with mud, plant sap, rust, and other stubborn residue. This buildup doesn't simply make tools look worn, it can also reduce their effectiveness and even spread plant diseases from one area of the garden to another. Fortunately, vinegar offers an easy and affordable way to clean and restore gardening equipment. One of vinegar's greatest strengths is its ability to loosen rust. If your pruning shears, trowels, hoes, shovels, or hand cultivators have developed corrosion, soaking them overnight in ordinary white vinegar can make a dramatic difference. During the soak, the acetic acid slowly dissolves much of the rust, making it much easier to scrub away the following day using steel wool or a wire brush. Many gardeners are surprised by how much newer their old tools appear after just one treatment. Vinegar also works well as an everyday cleaner. Mixing equal parts vinegar and water creates a simple solution capable of removing sticky sap, dried soil, mineral deposits, and plant residue that naturally accumulate during regular garden work. The advantages go far beyond appearance. Well-maintained tools operate more smoothly, stay sharper for longer periods, and greatly reduce the risk of transferring fungi, bacteria, or plant diseases between healthy plants. Clean pruning blades also make smoother cuts that heal more quickly and place less stress on shrubs, trees, and flowers. There is also an important financial benefit. Instead of replacing tools that have become rusty or neglected, many gardeners restore them with inexpensive supplies they already own, extending the life of their equipment by many years. Experienced gardeners often include tool cleaning as part of their regular maintenance routine. After finishing larger gardening projects, they wipe off dirt and moisture, allow the tools to dry completely, and occasionally clean them with vinegar to prevent future rust and buildup. Although this routine requires only a few extra minutes, the rewards are significant. Clean tools perform better, remain reliable longer, make healthier cuts, and create a much more enjoyable gardening experience overall. Perhaps that's why vinegar continues to earn its place in the garden shed. Instead of purchasing expensive specialty cleaners, gardeners can restore valuable tools with a simple ingredient that's probably already waiting in the pantry. 6. Helping compost. Break down more efficiently. If you make compost at home, vinegar may also help improve the decomposition process. Healthy compost depends on maintaining the proper combination of moisture, oxygen, microbial activity, and balanced pH. When used sparingly, vinegar can help encourage some of these conditions and support the natural breakdown of organic materials. Its gentle acidity creates an environment that supports many of the beneficial microorganisms responsible for decomposition. As these microbes become more active, leaves, vegetable scraps, grass clippings, and other organic waste gradually break down into rich compost more efficiently. Using vinegar in a compost pile is simple. Adding just a couple of tablespoons once each week is often enough to gently support microbial activity without dramatically changing the overall balance of the compost. Vinegar may also help reduce unpleasant odors. Compost piles sometimes begin smelling sour or unpleasant when they contain excessive moisture or too much nitrogen-rich material, such as fresh grass clippings and kitchen scraps. A small amount of vinegar can help improve overall balance while reducing some of these unwanted smells. As decomposition progresses more efficiently, finished compost becomes available sooner. This dark, crumbly material is packed with valuable nutrients and organic matter that improve garden soil in many different ways. Finished compost helps loosen compacted soil, improves drainage, increases moisture retention, encourages beneficial microorganisms, and provides nutrients that support vigorous plant growth throughout the garden. One of the greatest advantages of composting is its ability to recycle kitchen scraps and garden waste into something incredibly valuable. Vinegar simply helps nature perform that recycling process a little more efficiently. Many beginning gardeners believe composting is complicated, but often the smallest adjustments produce the biggest improvements. Proper airflow, balanced moisture, active microbes, and mild acidity all contribute to faster decomposition. Perhaps that's why vinegar can play such a useful role. It quietly supports the natural composting process, helping organic materials return to the soil as nutrient-rich compost that benefits the entire garden. 7. A simple vinegar spray for managing fungal problems. Fungal diseases are among the most common issues gardeners encounter. Powdery mildew, rust, blight, leaf spot, and other fungal infections can spread surprisingly fast, damaging leaves, stems, flowers, and even developing fruit. Warm temperatures combined with humid conditions often create the perfect environment for these diseases to multiply. Fortunately, a properly diluted vinegar solution can sometimes help slow their development naturally. Preparing the mixture couldn't be easier. Combine 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 1 quart of water to make a gentle antifungal spray that can be applied to plants showing the earliest signs of fungal infection. The solution works by creating conditions that are less favorable for fungal organisms. The mild acidity interferes with their ability to spread and establish themselves, helping reduce the severity of infections before they become widespread. Many gardeners begin treatment as soon as they notice early warning signs, including white powdery coatings, rust-colored spots, yellowing leaves, or other suspicious symptoms. Acting early is especially important because fungal diseases often spread rapidly once they gain a foothold. In gardens where fungal issues regularly develop because of high humidity or limited airflow, occasional preventative spraying may also help reduce future outbreaks before they become serious. Another reason gardeners appreciate vinegar-based treatments is that they offer a gentler alternative to stronger chemical fungicides. When used correctly, they provide a more natural approach while generally having less impact on beneficial insects that contribute to a healthy garden ecosystem. As with every gardening use for vinegar, correct dilution is essential. Applying concentrated vinegar directly to leaves can damage healthy plant tissue, so always mix the solution carefully before spraying. Successful gardening often comes down to paying close attention and responding quickly when problems first appear. Catching fungal diseases early usually makes them much easier to manage. Perhaps that's why vinegar continues to be such a valuable addition to the gardener's toolkit. With nothing more than a simple diluted mixture, it can help support healthier plants, reduce certain fungal problems, and lessen the need for stronger chemical treatments throughout the garden.